Hello everyone, welcome to Zepl's how-to video series. Today we are going to configure a JDBC interpreter. We will connect to a MySQL database which is running on AWS. From there, we're going to visualize the data. Let's get started. If you have not already done so, please visit www.zepl.com to sign up for an account. If you already have a Google account, this is very easy. You can just click on Sign up with Google, and you'll be able to access your Zepl notebooks from there. Before creating an interpreter, I already have a MySQL database that's running on AWS. Now I'm ready to create the interpreter. I can go to my Zepl icon, click on Resource, Interpreters. Today we are going to create a JDBC interpreter. Click on Create Interpreter, select JDBC as your type, create an alias. I'm going to name it JDBC MySQL. I am not going to make this my default interpreter for now. Also, I'm going to give it a JDBC URL to connect. The URL that I'm going to use is the IP with the MySQL default port, and the database I want to default to is employees. And then I can test on test connections, in which case I am connected. This is how easy it is to create an interpreter. Click on Apply. Now I am ready to use the interpreter to connect to my database. Let's go back to my Zepl main page, and I am ready to make a notebook. All I have to do is click on New Notebook here, and I'm going to create a new notebook called MySQL Report. I am going to select the JDBC interpreter that I just created earlier. Click on Submit. Now I have a notebook running which I can utilize. From here, I'm going to run a very simple query. I'm just going to run a query that's called Show Databases. Click on Run. And as you can see, very quickly it returned the information that's in my MySQL database. That's how easy it is to connect to your existing MySQL database. Thank you for joining us for our video today. Our next video is going to focus on running some complex queries to answer business questions. Also, we are going to show you how to create some beautiful dashboards as well. Please join us next time. Thank you.